We are now there in outside Dhaka. Ah, how's Dhaka today? Looking fresh, yeah. Thank you. Jubit Vlogs. Jubit Vlogs. Wow, nagbabadang ba si Jubit? Isabit natin, guys. Si Jubit. Tusok-tusok live. Suportahan natin si Idol Jubit. Jubit Vlogs. Sid hi. Yeah. You are now in Dhaka today. How's Dhaka? Still, how is it? The air is polluted. There's a lot of people there in Dhaka. Ma'am Normie, hello. Hello, Ma'am Normie. How are you, Ma'am Normie? Yes, ma'am. Kamustamos, mi amiga, mi amigos? Kamusta ka na, Ma'am Normie? Ka-open ko lang, naantok na ako. Ano ba yan? In my place, it's not that polluted, but in roads, I see it's pretty polluted, but it's not much. Ah, okay. That's good. That's good. The polluted is in the center of the city. Like for example, in the market, a lot of people. Kamusta ka? Sa nakapin lang, guys. Yeah. You are now relax, ha? Too much people. Yeah, there is no family planning there in Dhaka. Too much kids. That's why too much people. Tamsak host. Ito, si Ma'am Shulita Girl. Shulita Girl. Wow. Salamat, ma'am. Salamat, Ma'am Shulita Girl. Salamat sa patamsak, ma'am. Ma'am Shulita Girl. Thank you so much. Mamaya, ma'am, babalikan kita. Shulita Girl. Oh. And I love you so. The people ask me how. Thank you so much, guys. Good evening, everyone. Ako na to?